Available from Stainelec hydraulic equipment is the Kamekura HP-2 Powerman Junior Flexi Head Hydraulic Hole Puncher. This portable hydraulic hole puncher is capable of punching holes in maximum 1.6mm stainless steel and 2.3mm mild steel sheet metal with ease, and features a convenient flexible cylinder head, ideal for punching holes in switchboard enclosures or tight working spaces. The HP-2 uses punch and die sets that are designed and precision manufactured to the highest quality of JIS Japanese tool steel, with standard sizes available ranging from 10mm to 80mm diameter and 15.8mm to 50mm square punch and die sets. All Kamekura hole punching equipment features a user-friendly auto pressure relief valve to prevent overpressuring the unit and blowing the hydraulic seals. Stainelec hydraulic equipment is the sole Australian agent and distributor for all Kamekura products. Now available from Stainelec hydraulic equipment.